So if you watched my last video, then you know that my attempt using a budget drone did not go well. So I'm going to continue my journey to finding the best way to make travel videos and improve the quality that I produce for you guys. So I'm actually on my way to the Scarborough North Bay because I bought two new equipments, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Mini 4 Pro, or whatever order they come in. So I basically added it because I wanted to add more value to my production and also make things easier for me, but add quality at the same time. Apart from watching some videos and reading the guide, I've not really tested it. Actually, this is the first recording on the Osmo, and then I'm driving to the beach to see how the drone functions. We'll see how it goes. So I just crossed over and got to the North Bay, and I ended up dropping my DJI mic. I think the magnet came a bit loose. Oh well, I guess that's the first thing I've learned. Careful of the magnet and how you do it. Time to test this drone out. Wish me luck. So I just put the drone away. Went through one battery and a bit more maybe on the second one. That was quite quick, and the tutorial mode kicked in. It was quite helpful actually. And then I just went free fall, tried all the different options, photos to the video, to master shot, to quick shot. You know, this little thing has got so much in it, and the output on the screen, it just looks amazing. So I can't wait to see how it looks on the computer. So that's the first time I'm trying the Pocket 3 and the Mini 4 Pro, and this is the first time I've ever used a gimbal properly. So it's been an interesting lesson. There's so much to learn, and while using a proper professional drone is another thing. A previous drone that I tried for once and then never touched again, this was a completely different experience. Much more beginner friendly, much better experience in many ways, and I'm looking forward to what I'm going to capture with this. It's quite exciting. Maybe a note to myself and maybe other beginners like me. I think it's worth getting an ND filter and practice. Use the tools we have now to practice as much as we can, because these are very capable devices. So I guess this attempt was in the right direction. So if you do want to follow my progress, then subscribe to the channel and leave a like, give some confidence booster. Hey, just because this video is finished doesn't mean that our time together has to. Click on these 2 recommended videos and I'll see you there.